When you get close to the valley work, he's even cut this guy in line with the valley to make a nice straight line going down that valley.
On low slope areas, ice and water shield and rolled roofing are recommended. When joining these areas, a metal guard will prevent cutting into the low slope roofing. Install a short metal piece where roof lines meet. When joining to a vertical wall, extend felt paper up the wall and add metal flashing. Step flashing is installed with every single course up the wall. Shakes are cut to form straight lines up the valleys. Do not place nails in the exposed section of the valley metal. Cut the shakes in a straight line at the top of the roof. Then add a 4-inch strip of felt paper over the peak. Ridge caps are produced with alternating overlaps and should be installed at the same exposure as the shakes. This new residential development is being roofed with preservative-treated taper-sawn shakes. This 12-12 pitch roof is much more challenging than a lower pitch roof. Here are some special techniques used for steep roofs. As with shakes, taper-sawn shakes are usually installed over spaced sheathing. The first 3 feet is usually solid sheathing to provide more strength to the roof structure. Where climatic conditions require solid sheathing, or when re-roofing over solid decking, specify preservative-treated cedar roofing. The preservative treatment eliminates the requirement for spaced decking. A 3-foot roll of perforated felt paper is installed first, and then a double course of taper saws with an 1.5-inch overhang over the fascia board. One of the roof boards has been temporarily removed to provide safer access. A 1-inch by 4-inch guide board, temporarily nailed at the exposure line, provides a convenient straight edge for the next row. A temporary roof support may also be installed every few courses for safety and accessibility. The same procedure is used for skylights as for joining walls. Step flashing and top and bottom flashing form the protection around each protruding structure. Roof caulking should be installed where flashing overlaps above the skylights. Shakes also extend 1 inch over the gable end fascia boards. On steep roofs, lay out 3 or 4 courses of felt paper where practical. Roof vent details are the same as with shakes on any roof pitch. Again, at vertical walls, step flashing is required for every course. As the top of each roof section is completed, carefully cut the excess with a straight line. A guide board or chalk line is very helpful. Here are some examples of properly installed shakes, vents, and ridge caps. Normally, a 3-foot strip of felt paper is installed at the bottom of the roof. Then shingles are installed without felt paper for the rest of the roof. Commercial projects and local building codes may specify alternate systems. Be sure to check with your local building department before you start. Protruding lumber may be protected by metal capping and an overhanging shingle. Cedar shingles are becoming more and more popular for exterior and interior finishes and accents. Builders and developers recognize the insulative R value and breathability of shingles, which greatly minimizes the risk of mold and mildew. On this project, wood strips have been installed over the subwall for an additional insulating airspace. Strips may be extended over concrete for a more finished appearance. Cedar shingles make a perfect sidewall combination with cedar lumber and many other wall products. Double courses are installed at the base of each wall or section. A long level is a handy tool to mark row placement. Preservative-treated shingles will maintain the same appearance for many years with no maintenance required. Wall vents here are installed the same as a roof vent. Vertical 2-inch by 2-inch boards are installed at the inside wall corners and 1 by 4 boards at the outside corners. Another option would be to cut alternate overlapping shingles for a weaved appearance. Proper installation methods will ensure decades of beautiful, durable protection. For more detailed installation instructions, please visit our website at bcshakeshingle.com.